Hello everyone, welcome to another video. I've been doing so many videos on the washer, on my new washer lately, to show you various ways to use it and how it works and everything. I just thought I'd show you, give you a quick look at my laundry room. And yes, I do have the matching dryer. At some point I'll show you a little bit about that in later videos after I'm done with the washer series. Keep in mind this house is built in 1916 and we only rent the place, so we're limited on what we can do and modify around here. And because of the way the basement's set up, it's why I can't have my washer and dryer together. As you can see, my washers are over here. I actually have three, believe it or not. I have the new one. I still have my old one. We got the new one because the old one isn't really good at washing clothes anymore. It tends to eat them a little bit and cause little holes to show up, which is why we got the new one. But it still works. So we kept it to be able to wash like all of our grunge stuff, such as like the bathroom rugs, cleaning rags, dish rags, and stuff of that nature. Things we really wouldn't want to have to wash in the new washer. The third washer is actually down there, underneath the front load. When we were able to get this little washer, the little pedestal washer. When we were getting the pedestals for the washer and dryer, we discovered that they had these. It's a really neat washer, and I'll do a little series on that one too, so you can see it in operation. Well, you won't be able to see it in operation because it won't run with the drawer out. But at the time I got this little thing, yes, it's more expensive than the regular pedestal, but at the time it was actually on sale for the same price as the regular pedestal. So we decided to get this little thing, and I gotta tell you, it's a wonderful little machine. I need to leave it open anyway because we just got done washing some fragile things, which is what this one here is really good for. Of course, we got the new washer and our old washer. At one point, we were a family of 7 living in this house, so this is the washer that was doing all the laundry, along with that little dryer to the left. So it has done a lot of washing. Of course, I got the detergent all here in the middle. Some extra supplies down there. My wash tub and slop sinks. Just remember, we're renting the place, so one of the problems is the middle sink there I can't use, because that's how this sink and the washers get their water. I have to take it out of that sink. So I ended up, when we moved to this place, we actually had this sink, so I hooked it up so that way if we have to soak clothing or stuff of that nature, we'll use that one. We'll use that one over there when we gotta wash things like paintbrushes and oily and dirty things. This is actually neat. This house was built during the coal mining era, and if you notice this, if it was my place, I would actually come off there to put valves behind here, but those actually go up to a shower head, because this house was built for the coal mining area. During the coal mining era, and the coal miners would come in and shower off right there before they go upstairs. And over here's my dryers. Yeah, there's still a little bit of a load in there. We're getting our Christmas stuff down, and I just basically got done washing up the Christmas tablecloths and a couple blankets and a few things like that from storage. Of course, we have the pedestal down here. Well, some extra dryer sheets, some dry L for dry cleanable stuff. Still have the old dryer. And I have that for the same reason that I kept the old washer, but it doesn't eat the clothes, the washer does. So a lot of times, like if I have like some clothes I have to do in the little sidekick pedestal washer, if there's something needed in a hurry, a lot of times I'll use that washer instead of the big one. Then when I dry it, I'll usually use the little dryer as opposed to that one. That one runs on electric. This one actually runs on natural gas. There's the water, or natural gas water heater. And over here I have some more my laundry supplies. Laundry detergent, some extra liquid detergent, some fabric softener, OxiClean. That's some extra washing machine cleaner, some OxiClean, my bleach. Of course, the ironing board. The wheelchair here is here because I actually use that to sit in when I'm loading the washer. A few years ago, my wife had to have major ankle surgery, and she was off her feet for a while, so she actually needed the wheelchair, which is why we actually have one. But it was just prior to getting these washers, it was just sitting stored away in what we call our dungeon area. So we kind of pulled it out so that way I could have a way to sit down when I load the washer, because especially when I do huge loads, sometimes it's hard to for me to stand for that long. But there you go. That's a quick tour of my laundry room. At some point, I'll probably show you the old washer in operation too, and me using the old dryer too. But those are be in another video series after I'm done with the washer. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. God bless.